Good morning everyone. In previous class, we already discussed about the barrel part in Hume pipe culvert. In this class, we discussed about the quantity for drop well. Okay. The first of all, we consider the earthwork in excavation part. So here, the drop well is two number is given. First one is upstream side drop well. Second one is downstream side drop well. So here, the diagram of drop well is provided in the longitudinal section showing details of drop well of upstream side and downstream side. In longitudinal section, we can follow for breadth and height, and the end view showing drop well at upstream side and end view showing drop well at downstream side. We follow for length and height also. Okay. Here, the details provided in longitudinal section and end view section. Okay. So first of all, in upstream side and in the downstream side is different from each other. So we consider for upstream side and downstream side separately. Here, upstream side one number is well provided and downstream side also one number well is provided. Here the already in the question is given the extra earthwork excavation to provide a side slope of 1:2 all around. Okay. So in case of barrel we already considered the extra earthwork excavation person. In case of drop well we also consider the earthwork excavation person. In case of barrel, the extra 1:2 ratio slope we add in case of breadth, but in case of downstream side and upstream side drop well, we add the extra side slope person in breadth also. Okay, so first of all, we consider the length part, then we consider the breadth, then after that we consider the length part. Okay. So first of all here, the length we find out from the end view, okay. The breadth we find out from the longitudinal section, and the height of the section we find out from the longitudinal section also. Okay, so first of all we are going to the upstream side drop well. So how many numbers of upstream side drop well used? Here, one numbers of upstream side drop well used. The section, the side slope provided for the barrel and the drop well. In case of barrel, no side slope is provided for length. Only the side slope provided in case of breadth. Okay. But in case of drop well, the side slope is provided the both length and breadth. Because the length and breadth of the drop well, both sides we consider the side slope to construct the drop well part. So first of all, here the length of the drop well is given. How much? The length of the drop well is given. First we consider the upstream side drop well. The end view showing drop well at upstream side. We can find out the length from this side. Here the length of the drop well is 542 given, right? Here the length of the drop well, the 542, and 535 from which place? From cement concrete, from brick wall to brick wall distance 535, from cement concrete or soling to soling distance is equal to 542 for upstream side drop well. Okay, here the length of the drop well is how much? 542. In the best part we consider, okay, because we consider the earthwork excavation person. Then we are going through the next part. Here we adding the extra person for what? For the side slope. The side slope ratio is what? 1:2 ratio, right? 1:2 means what? The horizontal is to vertical. It means horizontal is 1 and vertical is 2. It means horizontal is equal to vertical by 2, or otherwise we can write here vertical is equal to 2 times of horizontal distance, right? Then we are going to the calculation part. Here from from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, right? The ground level position is higher. In case of canal, in case of river, the ground level position is, in case of bed level, we consider as the ground level for the canal or river. Okay, so first of all, we consider the height of the excavation from the ground level or bed level is how much? Here the end view showing the height of the excavation from the bottom of the swelling is 110 plus here also the swelling thickness is provided 10 centimeter thick. Otherwise the swelling thickness also here provided cross section in case of cross section is 10 centimeter thick. The 110 plus 10 is equal to how much? 120 is the height of the excavation. 110 from which place? From the top of the swelling. From the top of the swelling to the bed level is equal to 110 plus swelling thickness is 10. The total distance of excavation is 120. Okay. Then we put here the height of excavation for upstream side is 120 centimeter. Right? Clear? Then the breadth part we consider and length parts also we consider. First of all, consider the length part. We know the side slope is added. So, in case of side slope, is both side we add the side slope. So, first for the upstream side, the vertical distance is how much? 120. The horizontal distance how much? 120 by 2. For one side. The another side, for another side also 120 by 2. The total distance of total length of the upstream side wall is equal to how much? 542. 542 plus 2 into 120 by 2. For 542 for what? 542 is equal to the actual width of the actual length of the upstream side drop wall, and 2 into 122 20 by 2 is equal to what? 2 into 122 by 20 by 2 is considered for the side slope distance. Is that clear? Then the total distance is how much? The total distance is equal to 662. Okay. Then we consider the breadth part. The equal condition we consider. Here the breadth of the excavation is how much? The breadth of the excavation is 75 given. In case of what? In case of longitudinal section, the breadth of the excavation of drop wall for upstream side is given 75 centimeter. So the 75 centimeter, the height of the excavation is how much? The height of the excavation is how much? From the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, right? We consider the actual breadth of the excavation plus 2 into 120 by 2. Okay, 120 is the vertical distance, which is equal to the height of the section, right? Then the both of side we consider 2. Okay, so the total distance is how much? 75 plus 2 into 120 by 2 is equal to 195. Is that clear? We can consider in meter also. In meter, the upstream side length is equal to 6.62 and breadth is equal to 1.95. Height is equal to 1.20. Then the quantity of the upstream side excavation part is equal to how much? Into is equal to 15.49 meter cube. Okay. Then when going to the downstream side, the downstream side also one number is provided. Same formula we apply here. The downstream side length is provided here. How much? The end view showing drop wall at downstream side. The length is provided how much? 542. And the height of excavation is how much? 140. From which place? From top of the swelling to the bed level. This distance is 140. Then we add the swelling distance to define the excavation height, right? The 140 plus swelling distance 10 is equal to how much? 150. Same formula we put here. How much the value? The 542 plus 2 into half into 150, or otherwise we write here 542 plus 2 into 150 by 2. Okay. So today time is over. The remaining part we discuss in next class.